Grab 2 packets of Act 2 popcorn and extract them into a kadhai while keeping the flame of your gas to the lowest. Popcorns will cook only at a low flame in the beginning. When your first corn pops up after a while, immediately you will cover this kadhai with a lid. But make sure you do not cover it completely, 5% leave it open. I'll show you from another angle. Look here. 5% is left open so that the steam is able to escape. And once that happens, you will hear this amazing sound. Once in a while you can shake it if you wish to, but make sure you always keep the 5% lid open. And at this time you can even increase the flame to high. Remember, the flame in the beginning was kept to low. Once you stop hearing this sound, you can put off the flame immediately and extract the popcorn and shift them, transfer them into another bowl. It is important. Once you have transferred, you can see it is very fluffy, crisp, and now we'll add to this Urban Platters Cheddar cheese powder. I bought this from Amazon. You can also buy this from Amazon. It's an amazing, delicious cheese powder. This is what is added to create or to make cheese popcorn at home. And this is also added wherever you have eaten cheese popcorn. So the brand may be different, but it is cheddar cheese powder that is added to offer you this amazing flavor. So friends, how difficult was it to create an amazing, delicious, cheesy popcorn recipe at the convenience of your home? If you never knew that this is the way you make it, please offer me a like and share this video with your friends. Here are some new videos for you. You can enjoy them as well from my channel, Guru Musafir. Thank you.